Ooh! Again, Ty. Oh.
Hey guys, it's another day on the river. I'm on the way to the river right now. I'm checking the water. The water that's not looking good for Kumbo Mermaid and K-Mini Tube. The water's kind of stained. I don't know what's going on, okay? It should be clear. But, you know, sometimes, like I told you guys, sometimes you never know when the fish biting, okay? Even though it's really sunny right now, and it does not mean that it's 91 degrees, okay? It's 25 degrees right now. It's freezing cold outside, but it helps with the sun, okay? Just want to catch one or two fish, that's all today, guys. And today is Thursday again, guys, so catch one or two there, it's gonna be tough, okay? And some of the spot there is still frozen, but there are spots still open that fishable. If I can't catch them on my own bait, mermaid tail and K-Mini Tube, I don't need a spawn sack, okay? But the water that I told you guys is not really good. It's still stained. Some prefer bigger size bait, sometimes prefer a smaller size bait. It depends on where they are feeding. You know, if they are school fish, mostly are big one, they probably feeding on that. So you want your bait to match up those bait, but I do not know. All I have to do is just keep switching, hoping that one or two will be, you know, attract to the bigger bait there, okay? And that's what I hope for. And always try the first single bait first, and then double, and also triple. I prefer big, like a golf side ball, you know, a spawn sack when the water's not clear. But you know, guys, I'm not an egg guy, you know. I need egg only when the water is not really good for me to get, you know, to catch the fish there. When the water is not really good, I prefer a bigger jig, but I do not have a bigger jig size like 1/8, okay? But right now, my bait is only for 132 and 116 jig head. I do not have the bigger size. Hoping this year we'll be getting a new two more baits, a jumbo tube and a jumbo mermaid tail there, and they're all designed differently from the smaller mermaid tail and the K-Mini Tube. If you guys want to order combo bait, please check the link in the description. I really appreciate you all. Please stay tuned, and I will see you guys on the river.
Go someplace else. See the water, guys? Not 100% clear, okay? And hoping I don't swing, set the hook too hard, because my rod is too long. Might break the rod there, okay? I'm using chartreuse right now, but I will be switching. I'm going to stand right here so I can jig close to the ice here, guys. So I want to go stand over there. Maybe it's better. Floating iceberg from Alaska, guy. Should we be using egg or what? Oh, we'll try my bait first. I'm gonna switch to something else. After this, I'm trying to go after, like right by these ice there. Okay, sometimes they hang around on the ice there. I want to cast and jig. Oh, come on. Leave me alone, rocks. Ice, 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 baby. All right, fish on. I don't even know. I don't. I can't set the bobber put down. I thought my bobber. All right. First one from this spot, not the jumbo mumbo guy, but hey, at least fish, okay? On chartreuse and silver guy. All right, got a video for you guys today, okay? Come on, fish over here. Come here. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, come on. Not bad. It's Steelhead though. It's not bad, guy. This on Kumbo, okay? I told you guys how to get that the way. Next time I jig, see that guy? Look. Because the line, the net is stuck right through the chin. You see the net here? See? Alright, this color guy, so it messed up because I used a fly to unhook them. Okay, it was biting like all the way. All right, whoop, there they go. I don't see the bobber right there. See, it went like 1 split second, guy. I hate this spot there, especially above my head because it's a tree there, guy. And it got a long rod. Okay. See? Let me go to just the box, just the depth here. Number 2. I don't want to see the bobber, guys. Be honest with you, okay? I don't see the bobber go down at all. I just set the hook. So, oh, gone. My sexy G gone, guys. My line snapped, okay? So, hope you're not going nowhere, okay? I think the line snapped, see? That's nice, clean too. God. Alright, use the same. Let's try not use the same. Use the same but switch different side, okay? I'm using this one right now, okay? Before I'm using a K-mini tube, but now I'm using mermaid tail, just to see how they react to different, you know, shape and size here, okay? Sometimes they prefer, you know, I will explain you more on my next video why I'm designing mermaid tail and K-mini tube there. And the reason I'm designing it, because there are certain things that, you know, you probably know, and I might don't know a lot of things here, but I know certainly there's something here in the water that still has feeding, okay? So we'll explain you more in my next video. Hope you not forget about that, okay? And we'll talk more about color too, okay? Because you guys asked me what color is the best for us. Fall, winter, and spring, you know. And I'm going to give you a clear answer on that, the color, okay? So I don't want to lie, okay? Come on. So I'm switching to mermaid tail right now, just to see how they react to different, you know, size or shapes of the bait there, okay? Like I told you, sometime, someday, the fish just feed on different types of bait, okay? So just switch it. You're not supposed to switch it when they hit on the, you know, the K-mini tube, but usually I switch it, okay? Just to fool them around to see if they like something different beside the K-mini tube. But if they feed on something that's similar to the K-mini tube, this mermaid tail is useless, okay? All right, first cast on my Kumbo 60 bait. I don't want to see, guys. I hard to see the bobber there, okay? We're gonna issue, okay? You see how hard it is to. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Hate that, guys. Can't stand it. Usually it's about 15 minutes and not respond. So that means the fish prefer the K-mini tube over this minnow. Okay. Take it out. Get me a new bait. See what's going on. Get you out of my way here, okay?
All right, I think that's all I really need from you today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good luck. I hope no more snap lines.
Oh, you never know with all this. All right. You too, thank you. So right now I'm switching to beige and white, okay? They not respond to the chartreuse anymore. So stayed about maybe half an hour more to see if they respond to this. If I go up there, I have more. I can be able to mend my line, okay? If I, you know, stay up there. But I'm gonna walk down, you know, the river about 10 more minutes, you know, if not biting from this bait there. It's hard to jig when ice start forming on the lines, okay? You know, the lines get heavier, and then I want the jig to go a certain, you know, direction or move certain, you know, direction or imitate, you know, insects or minnows, you know, but sometimes it's hard. I caught the first one, and the second one I lost. I don't know how I do. I forgot, okay? To be honest with you, okay? But it just, maybe just like right in the face, and they went for it, you know. Here we go. Ooh, that same spot there, I can tell it's not snag, okay? It's just probably they had a short bite on it. Because they deep pool there. When the bobber go down, it's the fish. So go back, same thing there, hoping they will stay there and we'll get it one more time. Could be another one in there, who knows. Here we go. I told you guys, see that? The same, see? I lost again. Ah, you see that? As soon as I switch the color, but it's similar to the chartreuse, okay? When I'm trying using the mermaid tail, chartreuse mermaid tail, they won't respond at all. But then I switch the color, you know, the same shape but different, you know, colors. That's how they Steelhead respond, okay? First cast, second cast, I got the boat down there. I know it's a fish, so I went back the same thing. See that guy? Fish on, but I lost it again. Oh, no, don't try to stuck on my wader there, okay? It ain't cheap, this wader, okay? So leave me alone, okay? I'm broke as hell right now. Don't. You know, if my line does not have ice on it or like forming ice on line there, you know, I'm jigging, I could feel confident that I can get them, okay? See, now there's supposed to one that will, you know, go for out of the bait there, but we'll see, try to find another one. I hate this spot, guys, honestly, okay? I hardly catch one or three, like all perfect day, none. It doesn't matter what I'm using. Egg, same thing. I don't have a perfect day, like, you know, catch them when they bite them, no. All right, let's go close to the sim here, because sometimes the bigger one, they probably just hanging in the middle of the current there. See that guy? Another one there. Oh, this bait color is good though. See there? I lost another one. Okay. Oh God, come on. All right, let's do some heads up. What should I say? See that? Probably a whole mind they want this color right now. Gone. Maybe the same one bite. I don't know. See, should have 5 fish, 4 fish already, and then I keep losing it. Okay, now let's shift a little bit to a little bit off. You know, maybe they move to the different spot there. Like, okay, none. So now they stop. I know they stop. Or like figured out what that is not looking good, baby. Let's come on this way a little bit there, hoping I will get them right here. Because the water's not that strong right there, they can grab it if they see it, okay? I want to catch that one spot here, like, oh, what's that thing? Something like a fish swimming right in front of me. I want to catch like one spot here, maybe 4 or 5 fish there. Just have to catch them. I should have 4 fish, okay? I might have to find another one, maybe a different space there, I don't know. By using 8, I don't know, we'll see, okay? Should have 3 fish on this collar. Maybe the same fish biting, I don't know, but 3 bobber downs, okay? Like hook up, 3 hook up, that's it. 3 hook up on beige and white color, guys, so. Here we go, told you, okay? It sounds related, guys. So this color, I got 4 fish. 4 hook up, 3 hook up, 1 landed, okay? And look at them, so nice and clean, okay? Look at them. Not nice and clean, but it's just fish though, when it's over there. So It look at the same fish that were biting. This one they probably swallow, guy. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, there's a nice female. All right. Oh, come on. My net, it gets stuck in ice. Come on, fish over here. I want to go someplace else, but we'll see. I want to use egg, but forget it, okay? If they hit on this thing, I don't need the eggs, okay? But if they don't bite this, now it's called beige color. Okay, guys, so law 2 hook up, 3 hook up before this one. Switch slide, just switch the spot a little bit off to the left there, okay? Boom. Maybe same one, I don't know. Open your mouth. Okay. Wow, this one eating. Oh, come on. This color guy. So you guys see the read over there, but I see those colors. Okay. Let's see here. So I got 3 hook up before I land this one, okay? Oh, shoot. This is expensive thing here. Where to go? Come on. Oh God, hope you're not working, guys. See, look at this. It just fell out of my pocket again. Oh my God. And I'm freezing cold right now. Shoot. What's wrong with that thing then? No. This $140 will be gone again. I'm broke as hell right now, okay? Whew, my arm. Shoot. I prefer big jig head, okay? You know, usually I use a 1/8, but when I design my own bait, I don't have a 1/8 jig head. I use only a 1/16, okay? So the bigger the bait they see better in the water, okay? So, but you never know, okay? Sometimes the smaller bait can be really good too, but sometimes bigger bait better than the smaller bait at certain time of the day, okay? That's why I prefer, you know, different size jig. I had a 132, 116, a 1/8 before, okay? But now I don't have a 1/8 jig head. So, ooh, again, guys. Oh, shit. That's my last net there. I don't want to go out there. So, okay, that's my last net. Hope it gets snagged. See, I'm gonna go find my net first. Hold on. That's it. My net's gonna be gone now. Let me stand at ice there. Alright, come in that bag, guys. So that's only matter right now. Come in that bag. Come in that bag. Shoot. Thanks to the ice there, now why my neck will be gone. Thought was snag, guy. Fish on though. Shoot. See that? That was snag. Same fish guy. Funny. Same one. I missed early. Go back again. I think I missed 3 times I spotted it. Alright, let's go follow them to Cambodia, okay? So lost early, just did the clip there. Then missed one early too. Then missed one on the jig, the crab, the K mini tube. He said, boom, boom, come on. All right, so it's on the A guy. Where'd it go? Come on, come over here. Come over here. Shut up. Come over here. Stop. I ain't go pop for you. I'm done. I'm trying to get you over here. My hand freezing now. Okay, come on. Now let's go down here then. So if I try to beat him, probably I didn't look good. Okay. So I gotta go try that spot right there. Hopefully the ice will not cut the line.